The Amazing Tale of Bravo November, the British Chinook helicopter that refused to die. Different crews flying this battle-hardened Royal Air Force Chinook have won 4 distinguished flying crosses between them. As the British Royal Air Force and manufacturer Boeing celebrate 40 years of the CH-47 Chinook heavy lift helicopter in UK service, one of the very first of these rotorcraft that the country received is still flying operationally today and has an incredible story to tell. This Chinook, known as Bravo November, narrowly avoided destruction more than once during the 1982 Falklands War. Since then, no fewer than 4 of its pilots have been awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross on different operational missions. Bravo November was among the initial batch of 30 Chinook HC-1s ordered by the Royal Air Force, RAF, in 1978, the first of which arrived in the United Kingdom on November 22, 1980. Yesterday the RAF, Boeing, and assorted squadrons and individuals associated with the heavy lift workhorse over the years that have followed marked the 40th anniversary of this delivery.